Okay, this is a 4-wheel drive rock crawler. Okay, we're gonna unbox this thing and check how easy to start it and use it, and what are the features in this. Let's try. Safely boxed. Okay, one done. 2 down. Three down. This is the remote control. This thing's bad. This is bad. The car right there. Okay, I have to load this with the batteries. You just need a tool, something like this. A small screwdriver. Open it. It's a little bit loaded. The batteries for the car provided in the package, but not for the remote control. So you have to use 2 batteries. Okay, let's see. That might already have some charge. I don't know. Might need a little adjust this battery. Then clear that quick. Oh, it's outside. Then I need 2 of these to go in here. Right there. One and 2.
Okay, I'm not going to take this all the way out of the box, but I did want to show you what this looked like. Our granddaughter has been asking for a pink remote control car for her birthday because her brother has had all kinds of remote control cars given to him, but they're boy remote control cars, and she wanted a pink remote control car. These are actually very hard to find. Most remote control cars are geared to boys. This one looks like it's pretty robust. The tires are actually real rubber tires, not those hard tires. It feels really sturdy, even inside. It has like little seats, if you could see, and the steering wheel, and it looks like even the real gear shift and everything. So it's really cool. It looks like an actual little car. The remote is under there. Being as we're giving it to her for her birthday, I did not want to take it out and start it up and everything. What is super cool about this is what girl does not like stickers? My granddaughter is going to have a blast putting stickers all over her car. She absolutely loves doing little artsy stuff, and so I think that's going to be one of the highlights of this car, is decorating her car just how she likes. That, and that her brother cannot play with it, that she gets to play with it. So I will update you in the text review how it goes, but so far this is going to be an amazing gift for her, and I know it's going to bring a smile to her face. So way to go, making a pink remote control car for girls or boys, whoever likes pink. Great buy.
This is a gift for our 3-year-old granddaughter's birthday, so I'm not going to take it all the way out. But it is adorable for a little girl, or for a little boy who likes pink, I suppose. Doesn't have to be just a girl. The remote is under here. It has a lot of different stickers that you can put on it. Oh, the eyes are cute. Comes with a screwdriver. I'm sure to put the batteries in. Shows you how to open it. The car uses 4AA. The remote looks like it uses 2AA. Fairly straightforward and simple to operate. 2.4G automatic pairing frequency. It's pretty easy. It's really cute. It's got rubbery thing on tires, so they're probably pretty grippy.
Super easy remote. You just turn it literally on and off. So turn it on. You have to turn on the car or the truck itself. Okay. And then goes pretty fast. It turns with the wheels like this. Yeah, pretty cool. My kids love it.
Do it again.
Then turn the wheel.
Did you get that?
No, Chris.
Did you get it?
See, it goes forwards, backwards, left and right. Kind of fast, kind of cute. Grandkids should have a great time with it.
Go, girl.
Bring back